Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about moisture testing over plywood or wood substrates. Wood substrates should have a moisture content no greater than 12% measured with a pin meter. Today we're using a Delmhorst BD 2100. Now on the number 1 setting, that would be for plywood. It will give you your moisture content of your substrate. Basically just press the meter into the wood, press the button, and it'll give you your moisture content. Remember, if your moisture content is above 12%, you're going to have to allow that wood to dry prior to installing a floor covering that's non-porous. So remember, when you're working over wood substrate, whether it's plywood, OSB, or particle board, a simple test can avoid a problem down the line.